Hooty-hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. It's Friday, day before the weekend. We're out here at November 13th. Well, let's get right into it today. What's going on? Well, the Dow's up about 150 points at the time I'm recording this. Are we going to do a melt up or a meltdown? We're going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about silver manipulation. It is being manipulated. We're going to talk a little bit about that today. Let's get right into it. All right. So here's the SPY, the S&P 500. We're still in an uptrend. We're low here, higher here. We're still moving up, higher here. We had this big melt up. Now, we're probably going to go sideways for a while. I don't think we're going to explode higher. The market is based on stimulus from the Fed. We all know that. It has nothing to do with reality. Has nothing to do with the economy. It's completely decoupled. So we're waiting for the next stimulus to see what's going to happen. And right now we're at a holding pattern. Probably a holding pattern for the rest of the year. We'll probably go sideways. Now, if we get down here to the 50-day moving average, I think that will be a buy. I don't know if we'll get down that low. We might just continue to melt up from here. The reason is we're going to continue to melt up as long as the Fed adds to their balance sheet. Right now they're over $7 trillion. But I think they're going to 10 to 15 to 20 trillion. They can't stop. They can't stop printing money or this whole thing's going to collapse. It's a house of cards. Now I know it's a house of cards. I know it's going to come down, but not yet. As long as the Fed can add to their balance sheet trillions of dollars, we'll see how much the stock market can move up on the next 3 trillion. Can it move up another 10,000 points? Can it go from 30,000 to 40,000? I think it can. As long as the Fed keeps pumping money into the markets, we're going higher. But I would like to see the market pull off. I'd like to be a buyer down here at the 50-day moving average around 340 on the SPY. All right, let's move on to silver. Silver's getting, well, a lot of people say it's manipulated. Now, we have proof it's manipulated because banks like that traded, some of the top traders, they trade it like JP Morgan gets fined billions and billions of dollars for doing illegal trading activity. Now, what are they doing? Well, they're putting on fake trades. And they're dumping it with paper silver. Now, there's physical silver, which this is a gold eagle. This is physical silver. Gold eagle, it's a silver eagle. Here. They do have gold eagles, by the way, but it's a silver eagle. Okay, it's physical. You can hold it. But that's not what they're manipulating the market with. They're manipulating the market with paper silver. Now, there's papers for every 1 ounce of physical. There's probably 150 ounces of paper silver out there. Now, what happens if something bad happens? Now, I'm not saying anything bad's going to happen, but what happens if we get a financial crisis and people want the real stuff? Well, there's 150 ounces of paper for every 1 ounce of physical. If you're in the SLV, that's not real silver. No, when you want your silver, you're not going to be able to get physical silver. What happens when we have a financial crisis is physical silver is going to skyrocket, and the SLV, they're going to be saying, no physical for you. Get some physical silver. You see, the manipulation of the silver market. Now, we were at $24 here on the SLV, and it just crashed in one day down to $22. Now, what happened? Well, they actually dumped a billion ounces of silver onto the market all at once. It's not real silver. It's played in the futures market. It's played in the derivatives. It's played in the SLV is a derivative of silver itself, but there's derivatives on the SLV. You can buy options on it, and you can manipulate the market. Now, there's big traders, and probably a handful of them. JP Morgan happens to be one of them. They can manipulate the market. The silver market's not that big. Okay, it's probably 1% of the oil market. Think of how that is not big. Silver is easy to manipulate. Now what they do is they manipulate the silver market down but with paper silver, and paper silver dictates the spot price. Physical silver does not dictate the spot price anymore. When I went into my coin shop, I buy these from my coin shop sometimes, when they have them in, he's wiped out of all silver coins. He doesn't have silver coins. He doesn't even have gold coins. The physical is still in high demand. When this drop came in, didn't drop the physical, it just dropped the paper. The physical, this is up around $30 for 1 ounce of physical silver. But the spot price is down to $24 because that's dictated by paper. But when this drop comes from 24 to 22, the physical doesn't move. They just sit there and laugh at you. You go into your local coin shop and tell them you want to buy Silver Eagles at $24. You want to buy them at spot. Heck, you'll give them $2 over spot. They'll still laugh at you because they know that the real price is higher. The real price is higher. But we're very fortunate for this manipulation if you're a silver stacker. You got still a little bit of time to stack before the price just gets out of hand, before we break $50. And we're going to break that. We're going to break that $50 level. We're going to break it relative, definitely in 2021 we're going to break it. Yeah, I'm going on record. $50 silver will be broken 2021. Okay. Now, could it happen sooner? It could happen tomorrow if we get a financial crisis. One of these banks blows up and you're going to see silver going to the moon. Pick some up. But anyways, we're right back up here to the 50-day moving average today. Do I like it here? I do like it, but it's paper silver. They can beat it down. They can beat it all the way down to this below $20 if they want. They can manipulate it lower. There's unlimited amounts of paper silver. I think it's going higher. I think it's going much higher. So yes, I'm a buyer here. I have call options on the SLV. The miners, I love the miners. Same thing, got beat down, got hammered down when they manipulated the metals lower. All right, now can we get back above the 50-day? Well, we got incredible support here. We're trading at 38, but at 35, this 200-day is just cruising upward. We love that. We love that. That is major support. That I do not think will be broken. I think if we get down to that level, buy. If we get down there, I don't think we will. Let's take a look at a couple others. Okay, well, this is actually a gold chart. It's a GLD. Paper gold, also not real gold. There's a difference between physical and paper in the gold market also. Very easy to manipulate lower, but the real gold doesn't go down that much. Now, there's not as big a premium as there is on silver. Silver, there's physicals at $24 and at $30, and the spot price at $24. Gold, the spot price of gold right now is right around $1,900. You can probably get physical gold for just over $2,000. That's a 5% increase, okay, which it's within the ball game. But would I be a buyer here? I'd be a big buyer of physical gold. Paper gold, they could beat it down lower. They could, but I have options in these. I have call options, and the call options got hurt when it dropped. Went from 182 down to 175. My call options got hurt. Now I'm all the way out till June of next year, and in the silver options, I'm all the way till next September of 2021. So I have plenty of time. This is going to bust the financial system. It's sad, but it is. They keep printing money. Bad things are going to happen. And when bad things happen in the financial markets, good things happen to gold. It's just how it works. Bad things, financial markets, good things happen to gold. All right, let's take a look at some miners real quick. Here's Harmony Gold, the Harmony Gold. Now look at this. This was trading up here at 750. It's down here at 450. Well, 470. When it gets down to 450, it's going to be sitting right on this upward sloping 200-day. That's where I want to buy it. I want to buy HMY down here at 450 if it gets down there. That's where I'm a buyer of this one. $4.50 on Harmony Gold, HMY. All right, let's see what else we got. We got Mag Silver. Mag Silver, I'm a buyer right here. This was just at $20. Now they beat it down to $17. I think the $17 level is going to hold. I do. I think it's a good entry point. Now if it gets down lower, I'd buy more, but I'd put a half position on right here. A half position on Mag Silver. MAG, right at the $17 level where we're at today. Like it? I like it a lot. All right. Let's take a look at one more here. This is Pan American Silver, PAAS. I like it. Now this one got beat down also. How do I know this? I got options on it. That's how I know. $37 down to $32. What did I do? Well, I doubled down on my options. I did. We're up a little on those, but I'm still down from the 37. Do I think it's going higher? Yes, I do think it's going higher. I think it's going to get back here to 40, and I don't think it's going to pass it. I think it's going to pass it, go on the way to 50. All right, so if I'm wrong, I'm going to add more. If it broke down here to 28, load the truck. Load the truck. It's going to go up. In this environment where we just are printing money like crazy, you can't print silver. Well, they wish they could, but they can only print this fake dollar bills, $100 bills, $50 bills. They can print all they want of those, but pretty soon people are going to be using them for toilet paper if they continue at the pace they're printing them at. Trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars each and every year. This is an environment where silver should be a lot higher than it is, and it's going to get there. I'm a buyer. I think this manipulation is a gift. I think it's a gift. And I think it's a gift for stackers. For traders, it's not so much of a gift because you get hammered down. You get you get moved back, up and down, back and forth. I mean, it's unnerving. It really is. I mean, they can smack the paper silver around. They can smack the miners around. But the physical is rock solid. They can't smack it. If you can get your hands on some of these, do it. Silver Eagles below $30. It's a steal. It's a bargain. Below 30 on the Silver Eagles. Get out there and see if you can find them. My coin shop, clean out of it, all of them. Clean out of all gold coins. I wanted to pick some gold up. Anyways, he ran a little flyer on Craigslist, my coin dealer did. And I rushed down there, but some big gold buyer already came in and bought them all. You got to be quick. You got to be quick. When they get some of that silver in, when they get that physical gold in, get down to your coin shops and pick it up. Anyways, we got the weekend ahead. We'll see what the markets do next week. That's all I got for you today. Take advantage of the gift of silver manipulation. Get out there. Have a great day. I'm Tall Mike.